a cold winter day, I'm going to show you my other latest purchase from Amazon once again, because I'm sure to be getting some really good deals from there. I've got this Makita. The model is CLX203AJX1. As you can see on there, the model number right there. I don't know if you can see it clearly or not. Now I got this for just about just over £100. Normally they're about £200, but my deal was I got this from the warehouse deal. So when I received it, I was shocked to see that, you know, it comes with a drill. It's a brilliant 10.8 volt battery, very small and light, because I normally use a very heavy Bosch, which, you know, can be quite heavy to use this one. So I've got this lighter one that I'll be using more often now for my light DIY jobs I do. I mean, this one comes with 2 settings: the speed, it's got a screwing hammer as well, surprisingly. I was quite surprised to see that. And the speed, the torque, they can turn. And the battery, also it comes with 2 batteries, as you can see. There's a battery there, the same one, so you can charge it. And it comes with a charger, of course. Now drill I'm very happy with. I mean, I'm very happy because of the fact that it's so light, and I've been doing a lot of building work recently, and this is just easy to use. Just change it, and you know, the usual stuff with the drill that comes with. Battery lasted quite a while as well. I've been using it for some time. It's got the indicator at the back, still full charge after a day of use almost, light use I should say. Inside the box, you can get a box, another box to put all the bits and bobs in, which is good. Now, this is why I really wanted to do the work. Everyone seems to be using these nowadays to cut things with. And the mistake was that when I ordered this from the warehouse deal, it did not come with all the bits it's supposed to come with. So I phoned them up and say I didn't receive all the stuff. They gave me a £14 discount to purchase my own accessories, which I did, and I showed you my other video what accessories I bought. But anyway, going back to these tools here, the multi-tool itself is brilliant. It also comes with a little light in here, and the battery itself, of course, the same, interchangeable with variable speed, of course, on here, up to 5 I think it goes up to. Now it's the charger. I mean, I love this tool now. These are my all-time use tools. I recently, you know, bought quite a few tools to do my DIY, and this is the best deal ever, I should say, for just over £100 from Amazon warehouse. And this, it comes sealed on there. It comes in a box with another box with all the accessories in. As I say, it didn't come with the little accessory part I was supposed to get. Someone must have kept that when they returned it. The only thing I'm a bit baffled about is this bit that comes with it. I don't know where you put it. I don't know if it's part of this or not, but it must be for something, which I haven't figured out yet, but hopefully soon. Anyway, this is a demonstration of this, the drill itself, just to show you. It's going to be different direction, forward, backward, and lock, which is perfect. Now going back to speed, slow, fast, and just to show you how it works, I can probably get a screw and screw this on there. Simple screw, and it goes. It's got good power for 10 volts, for 2 amps, it's called, and the battery, you can see, comes out quite easily. Press it, it's out, and job done. Alright, so same with the multi-tool, to the back, you press it, and it comes out, job done. Now, just to demonstrate how this one works, I'm going to show you. When you turn yourself, it's holding nicely. There you go. That's my demonstration done, showing you the Makita multi-tool, and it comes with also, as I showed you, the Makita drill. The small ones is perfect for my use, and I'll recommend this to anyone that is interested in doing DIY and for professionals as well. Thank you.